Okay, yo, what up, y'all? What's up, you guys? It's your boy again today. It's your boy, Jerry here, aka Jrizzlelistic here, and or it's your buddy, or it's your bro, or it's your dude, Jerry here, aka Jrizzlelistic here, and in this video, I'm gonna do McDonald's mukbang, yay! So I think I should do mukbang for this one because if I just do a review of McDonald's, that would be boring. So why not add mukbang to it? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. And let's begin. Anyways, let's begin this mukbang. Okay, let's begin this McDonald's. I'm always reviewing stuff, you guys. I'm always gonna take out the total and stuff. And the bag is always super neat, which is amazing. Wow, look at the McDonald's bag. Even close. I'm gonna zoom on it so you guys can see the fact of it. Wow. If I zoom on it, the bag is super amazing. It has everything in here. Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, alright. Pretty good. And efficient, as always. Yep, it's super inefficient. So, yeah, super inefficient though. Yep. Hi. Yep, it's super inefficient. Okay. Super inefficient though. Okay. I'm gonna show the bottom of it too. Ooh, the bottom is even crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take all my stuff out. For the fries, I'm gonna lay out a napkin. Hopefully it doesn't fly away. I'll have to put that shake thing on the towel so it doesn't blow away. I kinda have to do that. Guess I was just splitting the shake since I already got it here. Okay, I got a strawberry shake. Wow, strawberry shake. Wow. Wow. Super amazing though. As you can tell, this is gonna be Jrizzlelistic McDonald's mukbang and stuff. Wow. Jrizzlelistic McDonald's mukbang. That's what this video is gonna be called. And they gave me a straw too and stuff. And I like how they're so super inefficient. Clear in there, clear in there, and clear in there. And McDonald's logo on it too. Okay, I got sprayed some food, actual food. Wow. And fries too. And I like how they do the texture of it. It's super amazing. And they put salt in it. They fried it really well. Super crispy. Looks pretty crispy. And now I got double cheeseburger, yeah. Oh yeah. I got that one too. Yeah, double cheeseburger from McDonald's and stuff. Wow. Look at that, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna open the cheeseburger up. Ooh, if I asking for extra cheese is gonna be actified. It's gonna make it that way. And here, mustard, pickles, ketchup and stuff, and cheese. There's cheese on here. There's gooiness cheese in there. I'm gonna open this up here. McDonald's is actually fire. I think you guys can agree with that. McDonald's is actually fire. Fire delicious. You think you guys can actually agree with that? Okay, now the Filet-O-Fish. Filet-O-Fish is so amazing with extra cheese and all that. Wow, super extra cheese and all that. And tartar sauce, and I'm gonna open it up. It's so hard to open up. I'm gonna have to bite it and see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange this. I'll be right back when I rearrange it, you guys. I'll be right back as soon as I rearrange this. Alright guys, I'm back, setting this all up and stuff. And now I'm gonna give you guys a taste of everything. Well, it's gonna be mukbang, so. Well, I'm gonna start with something. I'm gonna start with the fries first because I like starting with the fries first. First bite. You guys, have a bite. It's good, guys? Okay. Cheers. The milkshake is gonna be. Wait, let me try something real quick. You guys. I wanna try this combo real quick. How about this? I'm gonna put this right here. And. Here, I'm gonna sip some of it and then I'll dip it. Strawberry milkshake is fire delicious. It's like the color of Pepto-Bismol. I dipped it some of it. Wait, I didn't get the strawberry. Let me open this up. Because I didn't get the strawberry. Let me get the strawberry in for you guys. It looks like the strawberry's on there. Gotta do it again. Got everything in this cup here. There we go. That's better. That's better. Try this one. Try this out. Try this combo out. It might taste good, you guys, so. You guys definitely try with the fries too. Here's a napkin. Mighty legendary fire delicious. Right down the fries too. I'm gonna go to the filet fish and then the most fire delicious last. If you like me, you guys completely save your most fire delicious for last, and for your last sandwich and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna you guys have a bite of the filet of fish. Is it good, guys? Fire delicious, right? Okay. Cheers. Mighty delicious. Wow, look at the bite I took. That's a good bite. I'm gonna take a big bite. Ready? Yeah. Move up. Now I'm just gonna move on to just the milkshake for now. Milkshakes at McDonald's is always legendarily sweet. Like, not only like they're sugar sweet. I think milkshakes have this like kind of, they're like a little bit of like scented candles they put in here, and yeah, I think they have scented candles in here. Yeah, scented candle. Okay. Okay, last sandwich, the burger. Cheers, y'all. Cheers, y'all. I asked for extra cheese. Hi, Sarah. So, anyways, so far delicious. If I hum, that means it's good, you guys. You guys get that, right? Of course you guys do. We all do. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm starting to get full. Put all my napkins right here. I'm gonna end this mukbang with some more strawberry milkshake. Wow. Well, this is lunch, you guys. Okay, that's gonna end this video. That's gonna end Jrizzlelistic's McDonald's mukbang. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for. You guys don't know what it is. You guys know the vibes. You guys know the drill. 4 things for a man. It's your boy, or it's your buddy, or it's your bro, or it's your brother boy, or it's your dude, Jerry here, aka Jrizzlelistic here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or later. Peace out. Not so fast, you guys. Not so fast. Not too fast, you guys. Okay.